you want to make money investing in AI? If so, then you are in the right place. So let's start with what is AI and why is it such a hot sector right now? Artificial intelligence or AI is the science of using a machine to automate tasks that would usually be performed by a person. AI uses algorithms to problem-solve operations by processing high volumes of real-time data. AI has been making a tremendous amount of headlines in recent months. Primarily because many feel that AI will revolutionize the way companies do business, making them more efficient, which will ultimately eliminate human jobs. If AI lives up to all the hype, then you should put yourself in position to benefit from the AI explosion. This video will explore ways for the average investor to get involved and make money in the stock market investing in AI. At the end of this video, I will provide 6 stock recommendations for you to consider. It's also essential to do thorough research, seek professional advice if needed, and align your investments with your overall financial goals and risk tolerance. The stock market is highly dynamic and can change rapidly. What might be a good investment today might not be the case tomorrow. Here are some key points to keep in mind when considering investing in AI. Understand the AI landscape. Before investing, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the AI market, including its current state, potential growth areas, and major players. Company performance. Look for companies with a strong track record of financial performance and growth in the AI sector. Examine the financial statements, revenue streams, and debt levels to assess its financial stability. Innovation and technology. Invest in companies that are at the forefront of AI research and development, with innovative products and services that have a competitive edge. Market position. Companies with a dominant position in their niche or significant market share are often more stable and have better growth potential. Diversification. AI is a vast field with applications across industries like healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. The AI industry is still in its infancy, so it's hard to predict which startups and newer companies will be the survivors and which ones will fail. That being said, I think the best strategy is to invest in well-known tech firms that are incorporating AI into their business model going forward. This will give you the upside of an AI play but provide the safety of large established firms. Smaller companies are inherently more risky. Here are a few well-known companies that are making significant investments in AI. 1. Alphabet Inc., symbol Google. The parent company of Google has been investing heavily in AI technologies and has a wide range of AI-driven products and services. 2. Amazon.com Inc., symbol AMZN, has integrated AI into various aspects of its business operations, including its e-commerce platform, cloud services, Amazon Web Services, and voice assistant, Alexa. 3. NVIDIA Corporation, symbol NVDA, is a leading manufacturer of graphics processing units, GPUs, that are widely used in AI applications. Their GPUs have become essential for training and running AI models. 4. Microsoft Corporation, symbol MSFT, has been heavily investing in AI and offers various AI-driven products and services, including Azure AI, cognitive services, and chatbots. 5. IBM, symbol IBM, has a long history of involvement in the AI field. Their AI platform, Watson, is widely recognized for its applications in areas like healthcare, finance, and customer service. 6. Baidu Inc., symbol Baidu, is often referred to as the Google of China, and has invested significantly in AI research and development. It offers AI-powered products and services, including autonomous driving technology. These suggestions are based on 30-plus years of investing in stock market experience. It is important to diversify your portfolio and consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before making any investment decisions.